Goumukhasana, the cow face pose. Sit in Dandasana. Bend your right leg and bring the foot under the left hip. Bend your left leg over the right leg and draw it towards the right hip. Keep the left knee on the right one. Raise the right arm above the head. Bend the elbow. Simultaneously, bring the left hand behind the back with bent elbow. Interlock your hand behind your back. Breathe. Maintain this posture for a couple of times. Exhale, release your arms. Uncross your legs and sit in Dandasana. Repeat the asana with other legs.